Let's face it, if teachers had $1 for every one-size-fits-all PD session they've sat through, most of us could retire early. Somewhere with Wi-Fi, strong coffee, and absolutely no icebreakers, tired of being told to engage students by someone reading off a PowerPoint. Tired of hearing, just try this, without seeing how it works in real life. But here's the good news. Meaningful PD is not a myth. It really does exist. And schools that are doing it well, they're not doing more, they're doing it differently. If you've ever walked into a PD and thought, I could be using this time so much better, you're not negative, you're paying attention. Because the best PD doesn't feel like a meeting. It feels like momentum. It centers on what's real, what's relevant, and what's ready to use right now in your classroom with your kids. So let's break down 3 game-changing strategies that every school should be using starting yesterday. Strategy number 1, real-life scenarios. Let's say you're dealing with constant disruption in class, not the needs a reminder kind, but the we're spiraling fast kind. A good PD doesn't offer a general slide on classroom management. It gives you a scenario. Student storms out mid-lesson. A colleague undermines your approach in front of kids, or you notice a pattern of disengagement from a specific group of students. Now, what do you do? See, scenario-based PD gives you time to practice your response. Talk it through with peers, adjust, reflect, build confidence, because when the real moment hits, you won't freeze, you'll feel ready. Strategy number 2, staff input drives learning. No more guessing games. No more, we thought this might be useful from people who aren't in classrooms daily. Start with a quick poll or form. What's a challenge you're currently facing? What's one thing you wish PD would actually cover? What's something you could teach your peers? Then build sessions from the ground up, based on real voices, not just top-down plans. Because when teachers help create the learning, they don't just participate, they invest. Strategy number 3, student-led sessions. You want to know if your teaching is effective? Ask the people receiving it. Bring in students to share. What helps me feel safe in a classroom? What makes a lesson memorable? What shuts me down or makes me disengage? You'll get more insight in 5 minutes than from 5 emails. And don't just do it once. Build a rhythm. Student panels, feedback days, classroom shadowing. The result? Teaching that's tuned to real experience. PD doesn't have to be painful. It doesn't have to be predictable. And it definitely doesn't have to be pointless. Start with scenarios, add teacher voice, center student truth, and suddenly you've got something that sticks, something that fuels change. So here's your call to action. Which of these 3 strategies would make the best difference in your school? Drop it in the comments, start a conversation, share this with a teammate or a leader who's ready to shift how we grow together. Because PD should never be something we just survive. It should be something that helps us thrive.